How to fix Pandora app not loading songs. In order to fix the Pandora app not loading songs, you could start by checking your internet, restarting the app device, clearing your app cache, and ensuring the app is updated to the latest version. So let's just go with a basic step. Check your internet connection. So open up settings onto your device, and here you want to go to network and internet over here and check whether you're connected to a stable internet or not. Likewise, if the issue still persists on, you check for an update as well. Head over to your respective app store, and you could just go ahead and make sure to look for Pandora on the search bar and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is updated and still having issue, you could go to settings on your device once again and clear cache as well as browser. So open up settings and go to app section, and there comes the app, and here you just want to go ahead and make sure to refresh or restart. That should definitely help you out as well. However, if the issue still persists on, try restarting as well as reinstalling your Pandora app onto your device. That should also be able to help you out fix Pandora app not loading. So with that, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.